Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for my daily Anfield Road expansion update. Yes, daily, when I said I wouldn't be here because I had my graduation. So I've been all the way to Preston, had my graduation, come home, because I found out that the grass started getting laid today, which was inevitable. It was going to happen today because I couldn't make it. So it is about 8:15 at night. So I haven't seen it yet. I'm going to go over and see how much it's done. Have a little look. Thanks to everyone who congratulated me for me past me foundation degree. It's not a major. Right, there we go. Let's get a lot higher. Isn't it weird seeing Anfield with green grass? Not used to it. Let's have a little zoom down there. Yeah, so it looks like rolls of grass go on the orange one there. That rolls it out, and the other one goes behind, flattening it, maybe. That's what it looks like. I can hear loads of work going on though, you know, and it's quite late. Yeah. Can we see any blades of grass? No. Oh, they got a fair chunk done there, haven't they? Okay, so let me get, I'm at my maximum height now, so. What this one's doing here. Well, it's obviously not doing anything because they're probably finished for the day. That like a steamroller flattening it to get laid. Is it weird the way they're laying it though, isn't it? I thought it would go like Cop to Annie Roads, lengthways of laying it, but it's going that way well. Main stand to Kenny Dalglish. She's a bit weird. Okay. What are we? Quarter done. I don't know what time they started laying, and Paul Frost messaged to say that they were good to go very early this morning. I was on a train by 8:30 this morning. And Paul Frost messaged me when I was on the train, so it must have been around 8:30, 9 o'clock when I got the message. But I don't think they started laying by then, but yeah. Okay. It's looking good. Yeah, so being in, you know what, my graduation was live streamed on YouTube. I'll try and find a clip of me getting me shaking hands with the professor on the day. You give him your scroll, then you walk up, name called out, and then you shake hands.
Foundation degree in art, in digital imaging and photography, Kevin. Abigail Reddy.
Trying to find my lads that they're playing football just here. There they are. They've come with me. No, I saw him walking a dog. There we go, there's one. And there's my eldest. Just there. Yeah, the famous. No, there he is there. That's my middle boy. My youngest is away with the school, so he can't be here to play footy today. Yeah, there they are. Having a little kick around while I do this. There you go, boys, you're famous. You didn't even know that you're on the video. So let me come back and down. Yeah, the Forever Stones, they've moved on quite a bit there. So let's see if we can get any more clues to benches. So we've got 3 slots for 3 benches so far. 1, 2, 3. You know what, it could happen, so if you put another one just in the middle here, that'd be 4. 5, and then the 6th one in that little funny shaped section there. I think we'll get 6 benches for the European Cup wins. Yeah, I received more info today as well about about how the stands getting on. I'm not going to share it though because people don't like it. But I've been told something. I've kept the date. If it comes through, I'll share it. If not, I've kept it to myself. Right, I'll be back here early in the morning as well to get some footage that grass going down. Yeah, I told you there's people working. Wonder what these are doing then. It's like a shop fitting, isn't it? It gets done right through the night. So that's the type of thing that's going on there. Let me come out. Just want to make sure I've got something quite low. Want to make sure I've got clearance. Yeah, I'm all right there. Just want to come round and have a look around here. Okay. I take it's 10 stars going there. Low screen going on because there's kids football games going on here. As I know, some leagues are under pressure to get games completed, but come on. You got like young kids playing here, like 7 years old. It's bedtime. There's people up on a lift. But what's going on here then? This time of night? It's going up. Now it stops. I don't know, does anyone know what's going on there? Yeah, but I'll get the clip of me shaking hands at me graduation. If not, if I can't find it, then yeah, I do apologise. See, this is looking neater here now. This is all going to knit together well here. I can hear that lift actually moving. Quite noisy. Trying to see what they're doing. Ah, he's got a piece of cladding in his hands. Oh no, that weren't the noise of the lift moving. Yeah, it's moving now and I can't hear anything. Must have been something inside. He's tidying up the sill, maybe. Okay, that's interesting that they're working so late on the outside. I can hear more as well, but I don't know if that's inside. You've got this green crane here, I don't know if that's anything. I'm just zooming to the top there, see if there's anything. Yeah, there is. Yeah, there's people working away. We're getting on for the 8:30 at night here. I thought that the most interesting thing I'd see is the grass, but no. So what do we read into that? Are we playing catch up here? Because it's not the norm to see people working at that time of night on here. So you got the ones on the lift, the ones on that level of the roof. There's nothing going on here. No, there's no one on that lift. Strange. One thing I want to have a look at is the top of the main stands. So when I said is it going to be tarred and waterproofed or whatever, someone said, well, why don't you look at the main stands? That's a very good point. I should be able to zoom in from here. No, there's no, there's no like a tar and a water. I call it tarring because I watched Shawshank Redemption and they tarred the roof to waterproof it. So that's why I call it tarring. I don't even know it's something that they still do these days. What's the Shawshank Redemption set in 1930s, 1940s, something like that? Right. I'm trying to see if there's anything else to see. That's someone down there. Yeah. Let's just have a look at the cladding around the side, see if I've missed anything on the cladding wise. Because people are still saying that they're putting windows in this side. And it doesn't seem to be moving, does it? There's still room to put the windows in there, but they've got to be. It's got to be uniformity on it. It's got to be the same on both sides. Either have windows on both sides or have windows on no sides. Right, yeah. That's it for me, guys. It's 8 o'clock. I've been on the go all day, but I had to get some footage. I just had to have a look at it. That's not someone on the roof, is it? No. First time I've seen that ladder there though, like that. Now people say, how come they leave bits of cladding? And it seems that it's just to get access to places. Right, going to leave it there. I was going to get a close look at everything, but people are on site, so I'm not going to. So it's not fair on them. Yeah, so if you like the video, please subscribe. Completely free. And it really helps my channel out. And I really appreciate it, you know that. Likes help people see my videos, so just give it a thumbs up if you think it's worth it. If you don't. Simple as that. And comments. I always read the comments. I always reply to the comments. If they're nice comments. I even reply to the bad ones. I think I reply to the bad ones more than I do to the nice ones. Yeah, right guys, I'll leave it there. Thanks for all the congratulations messages yesterday. It was a long day today, but I got it done. But apart from that, look after yourselves and I'll see you all soon. Bye now.